What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here. Today, we're talking Christmas hams. I invite you to my home as a true adventure on a ham that's made with Coca-Cola. And if you've never had a ham with Coca-Cola on it, well, you've been missing out, and you need to stick around for this recipe. So sit back and relax, grab that favorite beverage from the fridge, and enjoy the show. And I'll see you guys out on the trails. Peace. All right, so this is the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need a ham. This is about a 10 to 12 pound ham. You're gonna need a can of Coke. You're gonna need honey. You're gonna need cherries, light brown sugar, and some pineapple slices. Alright, I like to use a disposable so I can just get rid of all the mess. Pretty simple. So start with opening your ham. Alright, once you have your ham opened, I suggest getting some gloves, because this next part gets a little messy. Alright, so we're going to take the can of Coke and open it up, and we're going to pour it all over the ham, just like so. Then we're going to take our brown sugar, and we're going to cake that brown sugar into this ham as best you can. Just press it in there. You can make your own brown sugar by stirring white sugar with molasses, or you can buy it. Just really pack that brown sugar. And I used about a pound of brown sugar for this ham. On there nice and tight. The next step, we're going to take our honey, and we are going to drizzle this thing with honey. Now, if you like a honey baked ham, this is going to rival that, and for way less money. This is definitely going to be a honey baked masterpiece. Alright. Set that to the side. Now we're going to add the pineapple and the cherries. One of my favorite parts. So take your pineapples. Take a little bit of the juice. Pour some of that juice in there. Now, for the final touch, we're going to add cherries. We're going to pour a little bit of cherry juice in there. Alright, once your ham is complete, we're going to pop it in the oven. Got the oven at 350 degrees. Now, you could also put this in a smoker, be no problem. If you want more of a smoke flavor. Put it right in there, like that. Night night.